Hello everyone, welcome to NLP Tech. This video is about to install Windows 11 operating system on an unsupported hardware device. We have a Microsoft Surface Book from 2016 with us that is running on Windows 10 operating system. This PC does not meet the minimum system requirements. The processor is not supported for this version of Windows. When I run a PC health check to upgrade Windows operating system, the message will be displayed as follows. As you can see, this processor is not supported. This is a 6th gen Intel processor. They need an 8th gen or later Intel processor. Because this is a 6th gen Intel processor, this hardware does not support to upgrade Windows 11. So we are installing Windows 11 operating system on an unsupported hardware device through USB. First, we will make a bootable USB drive with Windows 11 operating system. To do this, make sure your USB drive is empty. Otherwise, during the process, it will empty the USB drive. Attach the empty USB drive to your PC, then go to your preferred browser. Type download Windows 11 operating system and hit enter. Go to Microsoft website, select create Windows 11 installation media. Once the exe file downloads, click open. Once the file opens, click yes and wait for the media creation file to open. It displays a message getting a few things ready. This will take a moment. Then it will ask for a license agreement. Accept it. Once you agree to the license terms, the next step is choose the language and edition. Choose the right language and make sure you choose the edition Windows 11. After choosing language and the Windows operating system 11 edition, hit next. Since we are making USB bootable, select USB flash drive. Hit next. If you want to make a DVD instead of USB, you can select ISO file. For this demonstration, we are going with USB flash drive. Now it will detect your USB flash drive, select that one. Hit next. Now it will start downloading Windows 11 operating system. It says you can keep using your PC, so you can continue with your work until the download completes. It takes a moment. I did fast forward on this clip. So now it is halfway through. Now it is almost there. Keep verifying the download. It will take a minute. Your USB flash drive is ready. Click finish. Setup will clean before it closes. Now bootable USB is ready with Windows 11 operating system. Attach this USB to the device. Now we are ready to install Windows 11 operating system on unsupported hardware. We need to shut down the computer. Once the computer is shut down, press power and volume up button together to enter into the BIOS. If your device is from a different manufacturer like HP, Dell, etc., then you have to visit their website to know how to enter into the system BIOS. Select boot configuration and USB device and hit OK. Select language and country region and keep select options as per your wish. Agree to the license terms. Choose the option custom install Windows only option. Before doing this process, be sure to back up your files. Choose the option custom install Windows only. Make sure you choose the drive that has at least 64 GB. Now hit next and select OK. The installation starts. Once the installation done, the system will restart. Now Windows 11 is installed, you have to set up the system. During the setup procedure, make sure your region is correct and hit yes. Choose keyboard layout. In our case, it is QWERTY. Depending upon your region, the keyboard layout may appear different. choose and hit yes. We don't want to add any second keyboard layout, we are choosing skip. Now you need to connect to network. Choose network and enter the password. For security purpose, I am not showing that step. Once you choose the network and enter the password, it will connect to the network. It will check for the updates and restart the device again. Then you can name your device. We are installing this operating system for personal use, so we are choosing setup for personal use. Hit next button. It will ask for a Microsoft account, but now we are going with offline account. We gave the username as test user. You can give a password to the user, but as of now we are skipping it. And click next. In the privacy settings options, we generally turn off everything. Turn off all settings and click next. System will check for the updates and restarts the device. Once the system restarts, you are all set with Windows 11 operating system. Now Windows 11 operating system is successfully installed on unsupported hardware. Now you can see this will come with some unnecessary pre-installed apps. We are uninstalling all unnecessary apps. We removed most of the apps like Prime Video, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Now the operating system is up and running. Hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share, comment. For more technical videos on this channel, please subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.